Hello guys, my name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to private your Instagram account. It is very easy process, so let's jump into the video. So if you want to private your Instagram account, first you have to open your Instagram, then click on the profile image to open your Instagram account. After this, you have to click on the bar on the top right corner and then click on setting and privacy. Then scroll down and click on account privacy option. Here you have to toggle this on to make your account private. After switching to private account, only your follower can see your post and video and nobody will be able to mention you. So click on switch private. Then go back. As you can see, my Instagram account has gone to private. That's how you private your Instagram account. If this video helped you, check out this playlist. It will help you a lot. That's it for today's video. Please click on the like button and consider subscribing the channel. It is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.